IMSA is a great place where you can meet all your customers, all the distributors, the vendors that come out, and really get caught up on what is happening, what's the latest and greatest, and how you can provide your service to the customers.
My favorite part about IMSA is I think we have a different crowd than IT or ITS. It's a lot more of the people who are in the field. So for us, we're really getting to interact with the people who are using our equipment, the people who are having issues that we can help resolve and things like that.
I love IMSA because of their education opportunities. We want to keep people trained. We want to keep people up to date on what's new. I want to make sure people working on the cabinets are safe and understand how to work on them.
Our certification courses can help them keep their jobs. It can help them get advancement. You could talk to a lot of our students and people in the industry, and it matters to have those credentials after your name.
My favorite part of IMSA is the friendships. I have so many friends across the country. I look forward to coming here every year for the conference, no matter where it's at. It's just being able to regroup and reacquaint with my peers across the country. We may not always do the same jobs back at home, but what we do with IMSA is so similar that we're like a brotherhood and sisterhood, and we just absolutely love that friendship and that bond that we have. I am IMSA.
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 I am IMSA.